Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Power here and I'm back with one more video. In today's video we will see a demo for tomorrow. Tomorrow it is 16th of July, and tomorrow it's a weekly expiry for Nifty Bank Nifty, and as you know, on almost every expiry I'm giving demo call. Particularly in this lockdown, I'm giving demo calls on every expiry, and a lot of people are making money. Every expiry calls are good and they are performing really well. So this is my YouTube channel, Sunil Suklal Pawar. Already 13,000 plus subscribers are there, so you can join, you can subscribe this channel, and the benefit of subscribing this channel is you will get the demo calls every week. You will get demo calls, you will find hundreds of the demo calls given on this channel, and all these demo calls are jackpot demo calls. Jackpot demo calls means these calls given on expiry generally double or triple, sometimes four times, sometimes five times also. They become in single day the return is double, 100%, 200%, 500% kind of return these calls are showing on expiry day. So what is the call? Call is this. It is today 15th July. Tomorrow it is 16th July, and this is the call for 16th July. Tomorrow it is 16th July, expire 16th July. Nifty call 10,650. If crosses 54.99, then target 86.20, stop loss 23.77. Nifty put 10,600. If crosses 52.73, target 83.94, stop loss 21.51. Bank Nifty call 21,300. If crosses 272.02, target is 360.14, stop loss 183.90. Bank Nifty put 21,300. If crosses 169.80, target 257.92, stop loss 81.68. So tomorrow we'll buy either call or put. If tomorrow after market opens, tomorrow on 16th July after 9:15, if market opens after market opening, if call 10,650 crosses 55, then we will buy call. If Nifty put 10,600 crosses 52.73, then we will buy put. Here we are not buying both, we are buying either call or put which is crossing entry price. Number one. Then there are rules of doing these trades. These trades are available every day to paid clients. These calls are given every day and these rules are followed. The rules are entry in trade only when call or put crosses entry price. Either call will cross the entry price or put will cross the entry price, then we will enter accordingly. If option opens with gap up, then wait for given buy level and enter at level. If this option opens with small gap, let us say it is a 55, it opens at 60, you wait for 55, it will come back to 55, then you buy. This is the rule. Double the quantity of second trade when stop loss is hit. For example, you enter into call and call has not hit the target but it has hit the stop loss, then in that case when it hits the stop loss, so first of all you exit the trade. For example, you enter into call and call hit the stop loss, then you exit the trade, and then second thing is you wait for put to activate. Wait for put to activate. If put activates, you enter with double quantity. Otherwise, if call again activates, again call crosses entry price, then you enter into call again with double quantity. This is the rule. If target is hit within 2 hours, then hold trade till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. These are pre-market calls. In pre-market calls, if tomorrow, if call or put, whichever activates, whichever is crossing entry price, if it hits the target within 2 hours, then hold that trade till 3:20 p.m. but put your stop loss on cost. So trail your stop loss on cost and hold the trade with to 3:20 p.m. If you have bought two lots, one lot book on target, other lot carry till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. If target is not hit, stop loss is also not hit, then carry for 1 or 2 days. This rule is for regular days, not for expiry day. If stop loss is hit on both sides, then avoid trading for the day. Next day, take first trade with 3 lots. This rule is also for regular days, not for expiry days. If pre-market calls in Nifty Express open above target, then avoid and follow live market calls in fact signals. Means these calls are pre-market calls. These calls are given one day before. I am giving these calls today. Today is 15th July. I am giving these calls for 16th July. I am giving these calls one day before. If tomorrow market opens with a big gap up or gap down, so naturally these options will either call will open above the target or put will open above the target if market opens gap up or gap down. In that case, just avoid these calls. If these calls open above the target, anyone either call or put, if it opens above the target, then just avoid all these calls and wait for my live market calls. These live market calls are updated at 10 or 10:15. The live market calls are updated between 10 to 10:15 am. So tomorrow, if these calls open above the target, either call or put, in that case I will update live market fresh calls at 10 to 10:15 am. These are the trading rules for expiry day. Trade with 2 lots. See, it's a very small investment if you see, because premium is very low on expiry days. So even if you buy one lot of Bank Nifty, it is hardly 4 to 5,000. So if you buy 2 lots, it's hardly 10,000. So it is recommended that buy 2 lots, one lot book on target, other lot carry till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. Exit one lot on target, carry other lot till 3:20 p.m. Double the quantity of opposite option when stop loss is hit. So these are the rules. So we have to trade on with these rules on these calls. And last expiry was expiry special demo call for 19th July. If you can see this call was given on 8th July 8:30 p.m. So this call was also given one day before. This is the call I am showing. This is the call of last expiry 9th July expiry. Now I am discussing with you what happened last expiry and what was the performance. So last expiry, here I have shared on my Telegram channel a complete screenshot. This was the entry. This 2 times this is call 22,600. This is Bank Nifty call. It came to entry price 2 times and then it has hit the target here. So complete screenshot with the proof that is given. So that day this call was given one day before. After market opened, it opened just about the entry price. It went up but did not give target, again came back to the entry price and then hit the target. That was Bank Nifty call. Now this is Nifty 10,700. It has also come to the entry price twice and then it has also hit the target. And if you see, I have shared the screenshots of few clients also. And if you see, Nifty call 10,700 double at close. So last expiry Nifty call doubled. And Bank Nifty call from 200, it closed around 305.90 and high was 346. And what was the entry price? Entry price was 203. So big move of 100 points in Bank Nifty one. So this is the performance of last expiry. And friends, this is my Telegram channel where every day I am sharing the screenshots of the client's profit of the calls performance every day, and every day you will find every day there is a profit. Every day there is a profit. It means this is today's profit. I'll show you today's profit first. Today call and put both given great profit. Today Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty call and put both have crossed the entry price and both have given the profit. All these details are given here. Nifty, Bank Nifty put activated and hit the target. Nifty put also activated and hit the target, and before that the call activated and given the target. So you can come to this Telegram channel and you can check all these details. These details are there, and thousands of the clients are already watching. So this is the demo call for tomorrow. This is already shared on Telegram channel, and this already we have discussed in detail. So friends, share this channel, both the channels, all the channels, even my Facebook page, my Facebook account. Share all the details with all the people, all of your friends, so that everybody takes benefit of these calls and they also make money with you. So thanks friends, thanks for watching this video.